Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a review on Freshgo color contacts, and this time I picked out colors that I'm more comfortable with wearing every day. And if you're curious to see what these look like and want to imagine what they could look like on you, then keep on watching. Before I start, just a little disclaimer that Freshgo did send me these contacts through PR, but I did pick out the color myself. They had so much to choose from that it actually took me quite a bit of time to pick out 5 pairs, which I will show you shortly. In case I forget to mention, I did film these color contacts on different days just so that they don't irritate my eyes. If you visit their website, they have an overwhelming amount of selection, so many different color contacts for everyone. I will leave a link to their website in the description box below if you want to check them out after this video or if you decide to make a purchase. They do ship internationally. These are what the packaging looks like. I have 6 that comes in a cute pink packaging and the other 2 are in a holographic box. Each box comes with 2 contacts. I actually have 3 prescription contacts and 2 that are not prescription contacts. The first color I picked is DNA Tailor Brown Hazel because it looks the closest to my natural eye color. Well, sort of, and obviously I'm not going to pick a color that is my exact eye color because that would defeat the whole purpose of colored contacts. This is a brown color that I feel more comfortable wearing on a daily basis. Here is a closer look at the difference. The color is a little bit lighter than my natural eye color, so it will make my eye stand out just a little bit more. For contacts that I wear for an extended period of time, or especially if I wear them often, I prefer them being prescription, and this one is prescription, so I don't have to wear glasses. I did wear this one out all day and it doesn't irritate my eyes, and I even forgot that I am wearing contacts. I was also told that my eye stands out a little bit more than usual, but it doesn't scream out any attention. So if you want contacts that are more natural, and if you are Asian or have dark eyes like I do, then I think that this color would be a great choice. The second color I picked is Cotton Eye Brown, and it is the color that I'm currently wearing right now. This is another prescription contact, and some people are probably wondering why I picked another brown color. And that is because I wear brown contacts more than any other color, and I'm actually very happy that both of these brown ones come with prescription so that I don't have to wear glasses. But the one I'm wearing right now is slightly different from the one earlier. If you put them side by side, the one that I'm wearing right now is more of a wildcat brown and is more noticeable. The ring that is around the DNA Tailor Brown Hazel is darker, which makes the contact looks more natural to my eye color in my opinion. If you have dark eyes and you want your eyes to stand out but not over the top, I think the color scheme of the contact I'm wearing right now does the job. Brown is my favorite color contact as it is the closest color to my natural eye color, and I can see myself alternating between this one and the first one. Moving on to the next color, which is Ocean Gray. I don't wear gray contacts often, but I thought I picked this one out so that you can see what it looks like on my Asian eyes, and if you have Asian or dark eyes, you can kind of relate to that as well. I did try a gray contact in another video and it was a lighter gray and more obvious in color. This one I like more because the gray is dialed down just a bit more where it is not as noticeable as my other contact. Also, I think if you looked at the contact close-up, you can see that there are specks of black dots surrounding the inner circle, which I think fits well with the darker eyes like mine. This may not be my everyday contact, but I do see myself wearing this contact to outings with my friends. I usually love to have at least one blue contact in my lens collection since I do love blue contacts. This one doesn't come with a prescription and I was a little disappointed at first, but after trying this blue, I would say that it isn't my favorite blue color, but it's probably a color that I would wear on special occasion or for a cosplay look. Other than brown contacts, blue is a color I enjoy wearing, but depending on the shade of blue. If you look closely at the lens, there is an outer ring that is a navy darker blue in color, which makes your eyes appear slightly bigger. With the lens diameter at 14mm and a base curve of 8.6mm, I can see that it does make my eyes slightly look a little bigger. The last pair I picked is Space Pink. This one also doesn't come with prescription, but it is great for people with perfect vision. I don't think I'll be wearing this one a lot as I can see this is more of a cosplay type of contact. If you look closely, you can see that there is a hint of purple in this contact. I would describe this as a softer pink and not as obvious as a hot neon pink, so if you want a more natural pink, I think this is a great color. I would say that this color would be for a special occasion as it doesn't stand out that much for a color that is not natural. This would be amazing for cosplay. Maybe the next time you see me with this color, I will do a cosplay video, but I haven't thought of a character yet, so stay tuned. So that is all 5 contacts that I've tried on for this video, and if you're interested in purchasing anything from the Freshgo website, I do have a coupon code, and that is Kelly25 for 25% off your order. It is not an affiliate code, but it is there for you to use if you want to save some money at checkout. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you think about these color contacts and which color is your favorite in the comment section below. And I hope you all enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!